Babo Kabalen. Kamusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Where in Pampanga, where we discovered great places for you to check out. For today's vlog, Where in Pampanga goes out of town because for this vlog, nandito po tayo ngayon sa Concepcion Tarlac and we were invited by Ramen and Grill Station para po makita yung kanilang lugar and at the same time matikman natin yung kanilang mga ramen at iba pong mga nasa menu nila. So if you're interested to know more about this, samahan niyo po ako. Let's go! There you go guys, so this is the place. So meron siyang of course air-conditioned room and then meron din siyang al fresco area. Actually, mas gusto ko dun sa labas kanina pero parang medyo uulan na so pumasok tayo dito. Good enough. So this is the place and ito na yung table natin. Hinahanda na rin Madam. Arigato!
Sumimasen.
Yes! Whoa! Those are our ramen. Ooh, this is a lot. Sa mga maki natin, what do we call it?
It is a crunchy salmon.
Crunchy salmon, okay.
Tapos ito po, dragon roll.
Dragon roll, okay.
It's a crazy California maki.
California maki.
Ebi kizu.
Ebi.
And then karaage.
Karage.
And then salmon aburi.
Salmon aburi. Grabe. Sobrang generous. Thank you so much, Ramen and Grill, for being such a generous. Sulit ang biyahe natin dito. Actually, Concepcion Tarlac, hindi naman siya ganun kalayuan sa... Oh, yeah, anyway, later on. This is
It is a Midori ramen.
Midori, okay.
If you are a fan of
Green.
pesto po,
Yeah.
yes, green sauce.
Okay.
And then ito po is kuro ramen.
Kuro is...
Yes po. If fan po kayo ng medyo unique na lasa po, ito,
okay.
kuro ramen.
Kuro, okay.
And then ito po yung original ramen po.
Okay.
Kapag po,
Original.
yes po.
Okay, and then this one is...
Curry ramen.
Curry.
Spicy po na.
There you go. Alright, thanks so much.
Thank you po.
Wow! Grabe, ang daming pagkain guys. And sabi ko nga kanina, Concepcion Tarlac is not too far from Pampanga. Actually, boundary lang yan ng Magalang and then Concepcion na yon. So if you're from Magalang, from Bamban, Mabalacat, this is gonna be very, very accessible. Ang pinaka-landmark natin dito nung pumunta ako is parang sa likod siya ng SM Hypermarket.
Hi everyone, I'm Renville Perez.
And I am Riza Perez.
Kami ang owner and founder ng Ramen and Grill.
Station.
Nag-start kaming mag-decide August. In less than a month na ilabas namin siya, na put up namin yung Ramen and Grill by September.
Mag-1 year anniversary kami this coming September 18, 2021.
Naisip namin dito sa Concepcion, napaka-mainstream na ng mga milk tea, samji. So, nag-decide kami na bakit hindi natin i-put up yung favorite natin na pagkain since wala dito. And if ever, kami yung pinakauna dito sa Concepcion. Doon na namin nakuha yung idea na i-put up namin yung business.
Yes. And favorite kasi talaga namin yung ramen.
We started ng, meron kaming 8 flavors. Nag-decide din kami after few months na gawin na lang 4 para at least mas madali sa customer ang pagpili. Hindi mahirap.
So yun, yung 4 na flavors namin, we have original tonkatsu ramen, meron kaming Midori ramen, Karai ramen, at saka Kuro ramen.
Alright, so there you have it guys. Again, thank you so much for being with me in this video. Thank you so much Ramen and Grill Concepcion Tarlac for inviting us. And kita nyo naman yung table natin. Again, sobrang generous po nila. So they would like us to, taste as much as possible dun sa menu nila. But like I always say, so when you go to a restaurant, most probably you're just gonna order for, a single person. Pero grabe, ang dami nito. But anyway, so as much as we can, we're gonna, taste them. So this is their Karai ramen. If you will recognize it because of the red sauce. Ayan. This one's really spicy. I'm really, really happy na nakapag-start ako mag-vlog dito while the ramen are really hot. Still hot. Look at that, it's steaming, diba? Ooh. Siguro, spiciness level, it's around 7 or 8. Kasi as soon as you sip it, yung spiciness niya, it goes up until your ears. Parang ganun yung anghang niya. So this one's their ebikizu. Ayan, put right here. Yeah. Ayan, so let me go first with this one, the crunchy. mean, notice it, no? Parang meron siyang parang 2 inches tower ng crunchy salmon. And then of course on top you have your sauce or cheese, spicy. Alright, so right after we've tasted yung kanilang karay, let's go for the original. Tikman naman natin yung kanilang original. Of course, every restaurant has their own signature classic na dish. So I think this one is it. Ayan, tikman na natin. Yung pinaka soup base natin is a little bit creamy. Yan, and you can also taste yung fat. And I like it that they trimmed down yung mga flavors nila or mga variants nila for the ramen. You know, for us, lalo na Filipinos, I mean, I'm not generalizing pero a lot of us, I mean, when we go to this kind of restaurant, minsan hindi mo naman mababasa yung label niya. This time they really streamlined it into 4. And yun na yung pinaka-essential. Yun yung pinaka-main na talagang hahanap-hanapin ng mga panlasa natin. So lastly, for their ramen, they call it kuro. And if you notice, yung pinaka-sauce natin is black. So expect guys na when you eat this one, it's going to be a little messy. Sa bibig, sa ngipin. Tingnan na natin guys.
Yung quality ng food, kasi yun yung lagi namin pinag-uusapan, dapat ma-maintain natin yung quality. And at the same time, makapag-provide tayo ng quality service sa mga customers. Yun kasi yung number 1 eh. Hindi namin akalain na in less than a year, magkakaroon kami ng 5 branches. Nung una medyo doubtful kami kasi itong first na tayo na to, sabi namin, mag-work kaya, magpapatok kaya sa mga tao. Hindi namin in-expect na ganun palaki yung support ng mga tao sa amin. Sobrang rewarding kasi yung babalik-balikan ka ng mga tao. If ever interested po kayong mag-franchise, open kami for franchising, you can message us through our FB page, Ramen Grill Station. Or you can direct message us po in our individual account, Riza de la Cruz Perez and Renville Perez.
Ini-invite ko kayong lahat na mag-visit sa Ramen Grill Station dito sa aming main branch sa Mabini Street, sa Nicolas, Concepcion, Tarlac. And ang aming sumunod na branch is sa City Walk, Tarlac. Our third branch is sa Fortuna, Florida Blanca, Pampanga, in front of Basa Air Base.
Oo, Basa Air Base, tapos beside Goto Hill at saka Staging Point Car Wash.
Yes. Mag-open din kami ngayong September 1 sa Bamban, sa may Rodlea Building, and sa may MacArthur Highway, sa may Capas, beside Peri Peri.
So, again guys, if you've gone this far dito sa point ng video na to, thanks so much. I really appreciate your time, and I would really like to thank Ramen and Grill for inviting us, coming all the way from San Fernando, Pampanga to Concepcion. Guys, if you like the food you saw in this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. Kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe sa amin, please subscribe on our channel. Thanks so much for watching our Pampanga. I'm still gonna enjoy this one guys, and stay safe. Bye!